So I gotta say, what the hell not? So everybody's doing it, so I'm doing it too. So I'm at the local hobby store here, it's Great Hobby, in Ottawa. And they have the Felony, and they actually have the orange kind of gold brownish color, which is kind of cool. What I really liked about it, which you can't tell on video, but they do have kind of a silk screen here. It's really cool, and how they've done that. And I love how they've got the aerodynamic that this is actually hollowed out, and the back also here, it's like a tube. So it's really going to create the. Okay, I had to stop recording because a lot of kids were coming running to this car because they saw it from the front of the store. So really neat. Love the headlights. On the box it does show like they're LEDs, but they're actually stickers. So it's really cool. They've decided here at the local hobby store to put the not the blower, but yeah, the blower on top. But he didn't put the turbos on the side because he didn't want to cut the body. But you can actually see that there is dimples for you to actually know exactly where to put them, and to help you where to put them also. So coming back to it, the aerodynamic, it's really neat how they've done it. Love how they've done the little muffler here at the back also, and it is chrome. Wing here for the wind, really neat. Let's go look inside. What I found interesting also is that you have little pegs here. These pegs actually match with these ones. So when the body is actually right on it, what it does is that it helps the body aerodynamic, that it doesn't come out at all. I'm pulling on this right now, and there's no way I can take this out, pull it this way, so it really stops the air from going in there. So they really put a lot of good thoughts into here. So very nice. Don't just bash, blast. They've written that on all their trucks. And you can see here this guy at the store really gave it a twirl. I'll put the link up above here where you can actually see that video. But again, that's with he said three runs on it. So it's almost like the infraction, but the gearing at the back is different than the front. That's to accommodate the different tire size. So you cannot put these tires, big tires at the back and small tires on the infraction, because you might hurt it, because it's not the same speed. You won't have the same speed. In high speed, that's very important. In low speed or in a crawler, you want that, but not in high speed. Dangerous to lose control and to break something. So very nice ARRMA. Smart ESC, and that's with 3 runs of on it. So I wonder if I can. I guess it is a little tight for me. This is a little too tight for the pinion and spur, but it's working out for them. Again, 4x4. It's just like the infraction. Nice. I really like what they've done with this. And here's the chrome muffler for the back. Nice big shock. Like, this thing is almost as big as my finger. I have big hands. Front bumper is nice. It's actually molded. You do have a foam bumper in here. Here's a foam bumper. So it's a little smaller than infraction, but it's nicer because it's actually molded and it's part of the front of this car. So very nice. But the dark matte finish is awesome. Cool. Thank you, Great Hobbies, for letting me do this quick little review and my thought on the Felony 6S. Again, ARRMA, you're coming out with some cool stuff. I was gonna say SHI, but instead I said stuff. But this silk screening at the back, just gives it an extra bling bling on it. So very nice. And in the front, you do have a little bit of silk screen. So the whole body's glossy, but this is matte. This is matte in the front. Nice wing. Cool. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers. They're going double wide under there. A lot of traffic on the Sims Bridge.
That's sweet. Oh man, it just keeps coming.
More trucks.
That's awesome. Yeah.
I can't go further than that.
Oh,
Qui va vous montrer comment ça se fait.
you're good. You're lined up straight. I like that little Suzuki. Short wheelbase, very good, nice truck.
You remember that Suzuki?
Oui.
Thank you. That's how you do it, right? Yeah.
Toi, tu le feras pas parce que t'es trop large?
On va essayer, là, mais comme j'ai comme ça chaque côté de la tête.
Okay. You got wheel wideners. You wanted to do a cheater truck.
Non, c'est juste les roues.
Look at all of them lining up for the fence. Ouais, il en arrière, t'es pas dessus.
Vas-tu sur la table des